Welcome back to Keeping It Green with Colin from Vandenbush Irrigation. In this video, we're going to be talking about changing a solenoid on a golf rotor. In this instance, we're using a 752 electric rotor. So what you'll need is a universal hose adapter with a snap ring on it. You'll need a 1x6" nipple. You'll need a 1x1" female elbow. You'll need a 1x2" nipple, male by male, and then you'll need a 1" ball valve as well. So what you're going to want to do before you take that solenoid off is we're going to get that internal assembly out. And what do we do when we want to get that internal assembly out? Decompress the top of it, pop that snap ring off, and then we can remove that internal assembly. So we take out that internal assembly, and this UHA adapter assembly will pop right in the top. Get that snap ring down, and you're ready to change that solenoid. Now, when you take that solenoid off, the rotor's going to fire on. You can control the water coming out with that ball valve. Again, take the solenoid off. When we put it back on, we also don't want to use channel locks to tighten that up. So we want to make sure that we're only hand tightening that solenoid. And again, as discussed in previous videos, whenever you tighten a Rainbird golf solenoid, the wires will always be facing the casing. We're going to wrap those wires underneath the PRS assembly, put some electrical tape on it, and you'll always know where those wires are for future use. Again, that is changing a solenoid on a 752 electric golf rotor with Colin. Thank you so much for taking the time to view this video with me. If you have any questions about this or other videos, please don't hesitate to contact your local Vandenbush Irrigation representative. Thanks for keeping it green.